Good day, fellow writers. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is Valentine's Day. Would you believe that? If you have a loved one in your life that you love, I hope that you love them up and give them all the love that you can give. And I hope it's mutual. Hope they give it back to you. Sometimes we're in relationships where you're giving the love and you're not receiving it, or vice versa. But I do not have the love. I'm giving my love to Dio today. He has my heart. I also do improv, and I'll be doing a show here in Reno, Nevada tonight about love. I'm in a group called A Horrible Thing, where we explore the darker side of human nature. So we will be asking for an audience suggestion of various things people love about love, and then we're going to destroy all of that and make a mockery out of it all in front of a live studio audience. Not a studio, a live theatrical audience. Anyways, today is the 14th, so I don't know what I'm going to write. I haven't even really been thinking about it, but I'm just going to get to it and we'll go from there. So again, the goal for these pages are to just spend however long it takes, not even however long, just to write a page fluidly. It's a lot of I'm pulling from the morning pages, except I'm reducing 3 pages to 1 pages, and I'm also not doing it in the morning. I'm just doing it once a day. And this is a way, if you want to write, you can listen to the spiel. But I don't know, we're like holding each other accountable in ways to just write if you're interested in it. So here we go. Today is the 14th, and here we go. Whoa, he's done. There it is, all my secrets, all of my mental disorder on a page for nobody to see except for me. No, but I wrote about, that was good, it felt good. Now I, as well as you all, have the channel clear, the creativity connected, we have the source flowing through our hand, and now we could go write whatever we write. I am currently working on a book of poetry, a collection about taxidermy, which is something that I work taxidermy out in Reno, Nevada, just very randomly, and I wrote about 170 poems. I don't consider myself a poet per se, but I guess I am now because I'm writing poems. So if I'm doing it, might as well say it. And I've been reading them at an open mic at a bar down the street, and it's been really fun and a really good process. These poems are really dark, really absurd, have really dark senses of humor. It talks about hunting industry, capitalism, blood, guts, life, death, art, everything kind of woven together into a poetic form. So by doing the 1 page, I really feel like it does give that channel, like Julia Cameron said with the morning pages. I'm just shortening it down to 1 page. When I was doing the morning pages of 3 pages, it just was taking too much time, and I just felt like I just don't have the luxury of the time right now to do 3 pages. 1 page is it feels like it gives you a nice clearing to like clear out, and then you could get to work on whatever else you want to work on. So I'd love to hear what you're all working on. If you want to post it down in the comment section, feel free to do that. You don't have to, but I am genuinely curious to see what people are working on. So if you'd like to do that, cool. If not, you don't have to do that either. Today I was writing kind of more about sleep stuff and dreams and things like that. That's where it went to, and also kind of working through a lot of just my own stuff, and I feel like I'm coming to like a sense of clarity in life, which I'm really enjoying. So yeah, great. Good luck, or thank you all for watching. I hope you write and keep writing, keep making your magic happen. So I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye. Happy Valentine's Day.